Hello YouTube.
Hello.
Hi. We have something fun today. This is something we brought back from Nepal. I know I said all of the Nepal videos were done, but there's more stuff. So this is from Vegan Dairy Nepal. Now, just to go on a tangent for a while.
That's my job.
A quick tangent. Let's go on a tangent for a while. In the Q&As previously, people have asked, like, oh, how do you plan things, like where to eat, you know, vegan stuff. I use Instagram too much. I use it a lot. And this was an account that I found when we first realised we were going to Nepal. And these guys do like vegan milks, butters, nut butters. They do a Nutella, which I kind of wish we'd got, but we were running out of space. And it's like, it's glass, so I kind of wanted to minimise what would explode possibly on the way home. But it looked amazing, and they're always posting things about, oh, you can go here for vegan pizza and you can go here for this and this and this. And it was a really, really useful account. So thank you so much to Vegan Dairy Nepal, because it made things a lot easier. And yeah, they have all these fantastic products. And in the end, we ended up trying to order some stuff, and it just didn't quite happen because our group was really unorganised and we were like all over the place. So it was really hard to try and get an order delivered to where we were. And that was entirely our fault. And then we ended up in this restaurant with your friend, because one of Leo's ex-colleagues now lives in Kathmandu. And we went for lunch with her. Yep. And it turns out they sold this stuff. And I already kind of knew this in the back of my head, and it wasn't until we got there, it was like,
they have it.
Idiot, they have it. I could have ordered and picked it up here. Yeah, brain melting out my ear by that point.
It was very hot.
It was. And they didn't have this. But they were like, oh, no, we can order it for you, we can order it for you. And we're like, no, it's fine, we don't want to cause trouble. Like 10 minutes later, they had some. And the person I'd been talking to on Instagram was like sitting right behind us, because I sent a message being like, we finally got some. And his head popped up being like, are you Ivy? It's like, hi. Which was kind of cool though, because we ended up bumping into her again a few days later.
At Buddha?
Yeah, we were just going into Bodha Stupa. She was coming out, and it turns out that they were doing a vegan flash mob. So we ended up joining an impromptu vegan flash mob at Bodha.
Which also had the lovely lady from Vegan Heart. Oh, sorry,
yes,
Loving Heart.
Loving Heart. The lady from
metal.
Loving Heart was also there. It was just really cool. So, yeah. If you're going to Nepal, if you're going to Kathmandu, check out Vegan Dairy Nepal, because they're good peoples and their stuff is really good. And it's...
the end.
Yeah, so much came together purely just from this one place. So, it's me gesticulating with jars and spoons. What we are trying is the one thing we brought back with us, which is the pineapple honey. Ta-da! Now, I've already tried this. You haven't tried it. I tried it because when we were in the restaurant that we got it from, they were like, oh, we've not got any, but do you want to try some? Because we've got a jar here that they've been using for like drinks and things. It was like, yeah. So I've already tried it, but you haven't. So this is pineapple honey that is basically made from brown sugar and pineapple juice. So I'm just trying to see. Yeah. Ingredients: pineapple juice, brown sugar. That's what it says on the tin. I think it smells like liquid malt. Because when I've made malt loaves in the past, and I've got a jar of liquid malt, I think it smells like that.
I totally get where you're coming from on that.
And that's by no means a bad thing. I love malt.
You might want to move the lid out of the way, because
GG's on the prowl.
Yeah.
Because, wait for it, there was string round the top. Hi.
Yep.
We'll have fun with that in a bit, okay? So...
oh, wow.
It's not as thick as honey, but then saying that, this has been sitting next to my cooker. So if I was to put it in the fridge, it would probably be more honey consistency. Try not to drip this everywhere. There you go.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's really nice. That reminds me of an acacia honey.
It definitely has the sharpness of pineapple, but
it's
like not like super sharp.
Yeah.
It's sweet like honey.
Yeah.
Obviously, but it has like a nice kind of fruitiness to it, a nice sharpness. And to be honest, if you weren't told it was pineapple, you wouldn't get that kind of immediate pineapple like kick in the face. It just tastes like a really nice fruity honey. Yeah. It's really, really nice stuff. And I think because if either of us have got a cold or if we're feeling slightly bunged up, you tend to go for the ginger tea, which we get from the Asian supermarket, which is basically ginger and sugar.
Yeah.
And I like the yuzu one, which is basically yuzu and sugar. This would be a really nice one as well. Like a couple of spoonfuls of that in some hot water with like a squeeze of lemon. That would be amazing.
Yeah.
It's so nice. It seems kind of stupid to say this, but it's definitely got the brown sugar in it.
Yeah.
Because it's made with brown sugar.
Yeah, but the thing is that it's like
it's really, really nice though.
It is. And it's nice having that knowing that this is something that's plant-based. This is... Because obviously, you know, bees are lovely. We like them. But at the same time, you can't have honey.
Yeah, and there are also a lot of honey alternatives, like agave, which... I find agave so expensive, so we don't tend to bother with it.
Yep.
There's maple syrup, which has got a really strong flavour to it.
Yeah.
Golden syrup, which is just plain sugar.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's quite nice to have these alternatives that are tasty rather than sugar.
Yeah.
This is sugar. Oh, great. Like, but I really like it. I think it's really good. So there you go.
I am so glad that I tried this now and not there.
It gives us a reason to go back because I'd like to get the Nutella.
Yeah, but I mean, if I tried that there, I would have been like, well, I'll have one of everything.
Yeah, that is the problem. But next time we can pack accordingly.
Yes, we can.
So yeah, there you have it. That is the pineapple honey from Vegan Dairy Nepal.
Yep.
Check them out on Instagram. And yeah, if you're going to Nepal, if you're going to Kathmandu, definitely check them out. They're good people. Their stuff is amazing. So thank you for watching us ramble incoherently about pineapple honey. And yeah.
Informatively.
Indeed. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. So we are so close to that 1,000 that YouTube requires us to have. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so, so much, because I never dreamt we'd get close to these numbers. So thank you very much.
Yep.
Also check us out on Patreon.
Yeah, I was going to say very, very much appreciated.
Yes.
But you beat me to Patreon as well, so there you
No
go.
worries. Check us out on Patreon. There are other videos there. You get recipes, you get other tastings and things, all kinds of weird videos.
Yep.
So head over to Patreon, and yeah, other than that, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.